Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBPUSD. So before we get started, make sure you click on that subscribe button if you've not subscribed, as majority of my viewers are not a subscriber. So make sure you become a subscriber and just click on that subscribe button, right? So let's get started on GBPUSD. So take a look at it here. We did analysis. I told you guys that GBPUSD will be giving us a bullish move in two ways, right? I told you guys that it's either we have the bullish move at this level here, this level on GBPUSD, that is either we have a bullish move at this level, or price can eventually come and take out this level before you have a bullish move. So then I told you guys that we have a bullish move at this level, or price will come and give us that bullish move at this level, right? But for today, which is on the 6th, price kind of went bullish and dropped, right? This is one of the reasons why you are seeing this candlestick wick here. You can see this huge candlestick wick here. Price kind of give us like a bullish move, then price later drop again, kind of open and close bullish, close to where it's opened from. I think from it's open and close to it, that's just about 30 pips, right? Which is not much movement. But the bullish move we are speculating, it actually gave us about 90 pips for today. That is close to 100 pips, because I actually went long on GBP also, and I grabbed about 50 pips. So I was very, very lucky to be able to opt out before price corrected itself and dropped, right? So now let's get started where we would want to see this price move for the next day. First of all, before we get started, you would want to know this trend for this GBP USD. First of all, the trend, so we can see that this is an uptrend move, higher highs. Second is that we've added this 10 period moving average that will guide us. So what is the movement? The movement is still above our moving average, except this price eventually breaks below our 10 period moving average. Then we might consider that, okay, let's short on this GBP USD. But it is still above it, then we would just be looking for opportunity or setup to actually enter and go long on GBP USD. So we would consider this as an higher highs, then we would now take this as an higher lows, then we would take this again as a new highs, then here comes an higher lows on GBPUSD. Then you would now see this as a new highs. Then here comes the higher lows, which is a pullback level. And here comes a new highs that broke this previous highs, right? And here comes the new lows. Guess what again? A new highs has been made. Of course, when a new highs has been made, what do you expect? We expect a pullback on GBPUSD. So this is exactly what we are having. So is this pullback over? That is the question many of you would want to be asking, right? I told you guys that we are not 100% sure if this pullback is over, but when men looking at it, it looks like it will be over soon. Possibly the next day we'll be expecting a bullish move. Now let's see what this Fibonacci retracement says about this pullback. So I'll start from this open, or close on this open from there. So we take a look at the highs, right, on GBPUSD. So we can now take a look at this moment, right? So I tell you guys that there's every possibility that price can drop to a level of 23.6. You can go back to confirm that there's every possibility that this price can drop to a level of 23.6 before we have this continue our bullish move on GBP USD. And coupled with the fact that on Fibonacci, once the price retraces, it tends to get to a level of 23.6 or a level of 38.2. But we should be watching out for a level of 23.6, because price will not just drop heavily down, except there's kind of like a major news, or there's something crazy happens, right, about the US, right? That is when we might have crazy move on this GBP USD. But if not, then we'll be expecting this price actually drop to a level 23.6. Coupled with the fact that price has reacted to this level previously. We saw price kind of broke slightly up above it. We saw price reacted here previously. Then if you come again, you see that price has also reacted at this level. And I do tell you guys that if price has reacted to a level multiple times previously, multiple times, and price is close to that level, then price will get to that same level and react to it. So now that price has reacted to this level multiple times previously, very much likely to see price drop to a level 23.6 before it continues to go bullish. And there's a possibility that price can actually give us a pullback from here, right? So you all know that uptrend move. Once we see an ice like this, then a correction has been made, right, on this uptrend move. You see a new highs, we will be expecting a correction at this level, right, where this previous highs was, right? Then we would want to get a new correction, a bullish move, then a correction. Would want to see the correction at this highs, right? So this is what we've gotten on GBP USD. So we would want to see something like this, a pulse move, correction, impulse move, then here comes the correction at this level. So price can eventually push up here. So this is one of the two places I'm telling you guys to watch out for before we go long on GBPUSD. Is either we have this bullish move as at this level, or eventually price will drop and give us the bullish move as at this level. Anyhow, would be watching out to go bullish. So to actually place this trade right, I told you guys, I'm going to tell you guys how and what to watch out for before you actually go to take your buy on GBP USD. So now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So what does this 4 hour time frame? We saw price has reacted at this level previously, right? We saw price has dropped to the same level again. Price drops to the same level again and reacted to it. Sorry, price drops to the same level, it reacted, it went up. Now price has dropped to the same level, so we should be expecting a reaction at this level. So one of the reasons why we're very much likely to go bullish for the next day on GBPUSD. At least if you can go bullish and take out this eyes, that should be giving us about 97 pips, close to 100 pips a day, right? Which is still not bad. But before you go to before you consider to go long on GBPUSD, you need to get a confirmation on the 30 minutes time frame. When you see multiple break or structure upward, then it is a confirmation that GBP US is now going bullish. But once it is seen as a bearish move, the best thing is to just stay out of this trade. So you can still see on this 30 minutes time frame, you can see that this price is dropping. So it won't make sense for it to actually go long on this GBP USD. Possibly wait for this price to push up, give us a pullback, right? And when it is pushing up, then you can go ahead to take this trade. And if you want to be patient enough for this price to go high and give us a pullback before you enter to go long on this GBP USD, then there's still no problem. So just wait for multiple breakout structure upward before you go long on this GBP USD. I think that would be the best thing. But above all, I personally believe that next day we would close bullish because I'm seeing price has reacted to this level, and I have seen price react to this level again that I've highlighted. We see that that price is now at this level, right? So I would want to see price react at this same level and give me a bullish move. So the next day, I personally will be going long on GBP USD. I don't know if you also would want to join me and go long on GBP USD for the day.